Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Xiaomi announced a couple of new TVs last week in India, and along with those TVs, they also launched a soundbar. This product got me really excited because I was waiting for a soundbar from Xiaomi for the longest time. Like since they launched their very first Mi TV in India, I was like, when are they going to launch new soundbars? And finally, this day has come. So on the first day itself, I went ahead and bought the Mi soundbar, and today in this video, let's find out whether or not it is worth our money. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. So starting off right off the bat, let me just tell you that this product is very good in terms of design language. It has a very Google Home vibe because of that mesh fabric finish up front, and it looks awesome in my opinion. I would have loved to see other colors in this soundbar, maybe like a dark grey or maybe matte black or something like that, because those colors would look really good on this design. So maybe in the future Xiaomi will launch a new color in this same soundbar, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed for that. But as of this date, we are getting only one color, that is white. But this still looks pretty good, and as compared to some other soundbars out there, this looks way better. The Mi soundbar also has a wide array of port selection. So you have aux, line in, SPDIF, optical, and also Bluetooth. So if your TV does support Bluetooth, then you can use this soundbar wirelessly, which is kind of awesome. Now, because the Mi soundbar has so many options in terms of ports, that's why it can be used with a wide array of televisions. So no matter if you have an old TV or a new TV, you can use the Mi soundbar, which is kind of awesome. As far as build quality goes, the Mi soundbar is made out of plastic, which is not the best material out there, but at the price of Rs 5,000, I'm not really complaining. Now that was enough about design, build quality, port selection, and all those things. Let's just talk about the main thing with this soundbar, that is the sound quality. For that, let me pull up my phone over here and let's see what exactly the Mi soundbar is made of. So the Mi soundbar comes with 265mm bass units, 236mm dome treble units, and 455mm passive radiators. Those are a lot of numbers and technical terms over there, but what they translate to is awesome sound quality. I have been using this soundbar for almost 2 days now, and it has been an incredible experience. So watching movies, listening to music, or watching your regular television shows is gonna be better with the help of Mi soundbar. So if you're looking to replace your stock TV speakers with something inexpensive, then the Mi soundbar is one of the best options out there because it won't leave a hole in your pocket. For the price of Rs 5,000, the sound output coming from the Mi soundbar is actually pretty good. You get a decent level of bass, which was really surprising by the way, and you also get awesome levels of mids and highs. So you can hear everything clearly with a decent level of bass, and that is kind of incredible for the price of Rs 5,000. In fact, if you don't want to use this with your TV, you can just use it as a normal Bluetooth speaker with your smartphone, and it is still one of the best speakers out there in its price segment, and you will really enjoy this soundbar. But obviously it is meant for a television, and it will give you the best experience once you use it with your television, because as I mentioned, watching movies or listening to music, etc. is going to be better with the help of Mi TV soundbar. You can take my word for it that this is worth your money. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe below. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Down.